Sadly, we live in a world where there's a lot of crime, and the news is often full of the latest criminal activities. Every day there seems to be a report of a robbery in a bank or post office, or of a mugging where someone is attacked in the street for their wallet, or vandalism, where vandals have attacked a car or building. Some crimes are not reported in the news. For example, burglary, which is theft from a house, or pickpocketing, where your purse is taken in public places, like on a bus or train, or even shoplifting, which is theft from a shop. But important crimes like murder, when a murderer kills another person, or kidnapping, where criminals take someone prisoner against their will and demand a ransom, these crimes are always in the news. Recently there were headlines about hijacking, because terrorists had taken over an airplane before demanding the release of political prisoners. One more crime we can mention is blackmail. This is not a common crime and often remains a secret between the blackmailer and the victim, who the blackmailer has targeted.